Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Lone Star single flat top door today. So we're on the Lone Star double flat door today. This is a 42, which is measured from outside to outside, by 96, which is all the way to the top to the bottom of the threshold is 96 inches. Know that these stars get proportion to the door size. Okay, so this is a 42-inch door. We literally just did the 72 by 96 right before this, and the star is a little bit smaller, but that's because it's got two smaller double doors. So the size of these stars change as the door gets larger and larger. Again, I think this is gonna be a super nice door for us, and I think we're gonna do very well with it. This is a brand new door. It's September 2019. It has a lot going for itself. It's got the star, obviously. It's got some scroll work on top. It's got the knuckles, it's got some straight bars, no kick plate, and this is the first door we're gonna feature with a screen standard. So we're gonna start testing this concept, see how people respond to it, and go from there. But all of our other doors have a screen as an option. This is an oil rub bronze door. And this is different colors are definitely available on our doors. This is a low E glass behind the screen. So the screen automatically does darken it up a little bit, gives you a little bit of privacy. I hate using that term, but it does add a little bit of darkness to it. Different glass types are definitely available. I think this is gonna be an awesome door. I'm gonna flip this around, show you guys the other side of it also. And also one more thing, you guys remember the big metal handles, the pull handles, you can use these on these doors. Also, you can use the thumb locks also if needed. So you can use locks, or you can use a metal forged handle with a deadbolt on top, and we'll give you backing the blockout plates for the actual latch along with the handle. All right, guys, we're on the back side of the Lone Star door. Almost forgot the name of it. It's new, sorry. Show you guys how the glass opens. Flick the knobs, glass opens up. This makes it easy to clean the glass, clean the scroll work. Also on this door, you can remove the screen, and it's held on by magnets, these little magnets. You can remove this, store it away when you don't need it, or when you want to clean it, or when you're sick and tired of it and you just don't want a screen, and then you change your mind, you want to put the screen back on. So those are all options. Cool door. Again, these are all solid pickets, guys. This is it's not a hollow tube. Okay, solid stamped. These are tubes, obviously, because it's really thick, but awesome door. I think everyone's gonna enjoy this, and hope you guys purchase them as sets. One in the back, one in the front, one for the wine cellar door. I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our Lone Star single flat door today. If you guys need any questions answered, please contact us at info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.